Just 3 months ago, this road was packed with NATO and US contracted container trucks heading to Afghanistan. But now the only traffic here is the local transport. For years, relations between Washington and Islamabad have been marred by a lack of trust. But that got worse after a NATO helicopter attack last November killed at least 24 Pakistani soldiers at this military post in Mamand, near the Afghan border. For the past 10 years, the Americans have been using Pakistan as a major logistical corridor to sustain their war in Afghanistan. However, after the attack on a military post, those supply routes were shut down by Pakistan. The Americans would now want them reopened in order to enable them to withdraw their forces from Afghanistan. Thousands of people attended protest rallies organized by the religious right-wing parties. They wanted a total ban on supplies and threatened to use force if the government didn't act. Since the border incident, Pakistan has turned away several American visitors, including both the AFPAC envoy, Mark Grossman, and General James Mattis. The government has since drawn up a new policy to streamline rules of engagement, draw red lines, and seek compensation for the damage caused to the highways, and stop drone attacks inside Pakistan. The military and the political leadership has already made it clear that the national interest will not be compromised at any cost. But all this in the end will need approval from Parliament. The US wants NATO supply routes open as soon as possible to facilitate a withdrawal from Afghanistan.
The honorable exit is only possible when the Pakistanis agreed to give them their land routes and all the logistic support they have given them earlier. Without Pakistani support, the exit from Afghanistan is impossible. If they take the Central Asian or the Russian route, it will cost them 3-4 times more than what they have paid to us.
The question many people here are asking is whether the US would treat a new resolution from Parliament as it did to the last one when it resumed drone strikes, despite a unanimous decision by Parliament to halt such attacks. The answer to that question is likely to shape America's relationship with Pakistan over the coming decades. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Peshawar.